with the MX of Nations coming up and that being Eli Tomac's last time on a Yamaha, the question has to be asked. How well do you think he's going to do on the KTM? Now, obviously, throughout his career, he's been on Honda, then Kawasaki, then Yamaha. All Japanese bikes, obviously not similar in exactness, but very, very different from the Austrian bike he is supposed to be moving to in KTM. Obviously, KTM with their hydraulic clutch, not the cable clutch. He's a KYB suspension guy instead of whatever they're running. I don't know. But it's going to be the question of how well does he make the switch? I think at the moment he's 32 years old. So not exactly old in the overall scheme of things, but in the sense of this sport, definitely in the latter years of his career. So it's going to be the question of how well can he adapt to a new bike, a new team, a complete new chassis. Are they going to put a cable clutch on that bike for him just to make him that little bit more comfortable or quick comfort? Obviously, if you're going to be signing him, it's going to be probably not a small check with Chase Sexton leaving and Aaron Plessinger being, let's see, I'm going to say this in a nice way, a number 2 rider. He's a fan favorite, don't get me wrong. I don't see him ever winning a title. He's not on that kind of trajectory, it looks like. And I'll be the first to say, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But, for them, it seems like a let's win now kind of thing. We're going to sign Eli Tomac. Obviously, he's proven to still be competitive championship level. I mean, he's right up there this year with Jet, who is incredibly fast. I mean, just insanely fast. And it's one of those things. I mean, without the Achilles injury, without the ACL injury, he should have 2 more titles, or could have 2 more titles, really. It's going to be one of those things that, is it going to make a good move for him? Who knows? I mean, obviously, I don't think he really cares all that much about, the money side of things. Obviously, everyone needs money, everyone wants money, but he's not one of those flashy, here's my Lamborghini, here's my Rolex guys, at least it seems. So for him, it's about actually going there, doing well, being competitive. Is it a 1-year contract? Who knows? And this is where I'm gonna say this too. As far as I know, this is just still conjecture, still rumor that he's going to KTM. I have not seen, can't find, whatever, anything where it's actually been reported. I mean, obviously people have said he signed, people said they know he signed, whatever. As far as I can find, there is no actual, pen on paper, signature, Tomac to KTM or whatever. But it's just an interesting thing because it is. He's still one of the top guys going to what should be a top team. I mean, obviously he has produced winners in Dungey and Webb, Chase Sexton in the outdoor motocross at least. So it's going to be one of those questions. How well can he move over? How fast can he become comfortable on that bike with any changes they have to make? Can they, make it to his liking without completely changing the setup or completely changing the bike around? And for the question is, how long is it going to be? 1 year, 2 years? Is it a win and go home, or is it a, who knows? I mean, I highly doubt he's going to be racing for 3, 4, 5 more years. I feel like if he came out next year, won a title, he'd probably retire right there and say, that was a good move. I've done what I need to do. I'm retiring. I'm done. But so I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. How well do you think he does? Are you excited for this? Do you think it's a good move? What do you think about Sexton to Kawasaki? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.